Welcome back to Whose Line Is It Anyway? This skit is called Sound Effects. We're going to have some players acting out a scene, and we're going to have people making sound effects for them. And for this, I'm going to need one person from the audience. Anybody? Just kidding. Come on. Nobody. This is really... Just start. Thank you. All right. Over there with Jackie. All right. The scene is that they are pirates searching for buried treasure.
Alrighty, we've got to find some buried treasure.
All right,
let's jog over here and see what we can find. What was that?
there's a beaver trying to build a dam over.
Darn beaver!
Splash!
Are we in water?
Are you spitting at me?
Maybe.
Okay.
Okay, let's get our shovels. Okay, come on, our shovels over here, and we're going to go find some treasure. And apparently I'm Irish now. Okay, let's start digging right here. X marks the spot. All right, dig harder, Bart. Dig harder. Wow. Okay. All right. Well, we're not finding anything here. Let's go over here.
All right.
All right. Let's dig here.
Oh, hold on. We need to get through all this. I got my machete.
Oh yes, I will help.
Hold on.
What was that? One more time.
That was my switch.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Let me chop through this.
What? What are you chopping?
Was that a snake hissing at us?
Yes, there's a snake. Just keep chopping. Apparently we're on Starship Enterprise.
All right, we got through it,
All right, let's continue to look for the treasure.
Okay.
Are you clogging now?
Hold on, let me get my watch out.
Oh, okay. What time is it?
7.
All right. There, X marks the spot. Continue to dig. Oh, wait. What is wrong with your shovel?
It just broke.
Oh, use your sword.
Yes.
Whoa! You just threw your sword.
Oh.
Use your hand. Use your hand. I'll use my shovel.
Sorry, I had my metal gloves on.
Oh, okay. I think we're close.
All right, okay, let's get it out.
Okay.
Oh, it's a bomb! Oh, not the treasure we wanted.
It really is a bomb. It's ticking.
Oh, that's a woodpecker.
Woodpecker. Okay. All right. We've got to get this open. I will hit the lock with my shovel. Okay. Here we go.
Someone just threw a rock at us.
Okay. Let's do it again. What? Oh, was that a telephone?
There's a
telephone in there. All right. We got it open. Let's open it up.
All right, let's do it. Okay. Oh, that was good. Okay.
Look at all this gold. This gold is so noisy.
Okay. It's just falling through my fingers.
Oh, this gold is on the ground.
Oh. It's a...
All this gold. All right, now we must run because there's other pirates chasing us after our gold. And a bear, apparently.
All right, let's get on the ship.
All right, lower the anchor or something. All right.
It's already... Okay.
Okay, we're jogging again, apparently. We're on the boat. Put up the sails. Put up the sails on the wind, Bart.
Okay, they're up.
All right.
What else? Okay.
All right, we got the treasure and we're sailing now. And it's windy. And that's all we've got. We're done.